So we did reach out to the supervisor's office again for a response to Butler's comments, but so far have not heard back.
Well, UC Berkeley is facing another setback for the university's plans to build more housing. A state appeals court issued an injunction today temporarily stopping construction over at People's Park.
KRON 4's Gayle spoke to the president of the park's advocacy group that's involved in the appeal.
As of Friday, further demolition of the People's Park in Berkeley has come to a temporary halt after a state appeals court issued the injunction. People's Park Historic District Advocacy Group and another organization filed a lawsuit against UC Berkeley, contending the university failed to consider alternative locations for the proposed housing site that would destruct the historic People's Park.
We're hoping that they will look at the evidence that is presented.
Harvey Smith is the president of the Historic District Advocacy Group. The injunction comes just days after protesters clashed with police during the beginning stages of the project.
Tension has been, I think, really created by UC Berkeley. First of all, there was a little window that they sort of jumped through, between the court order of the lower court and the time that we were going to file our appeal. I think they could assume appeal was coming.
The housing project would provide more than 1,100 affordable housing apartments for undergraduates and formerly homeless people. Smith agrees the need for housing, but
one alternative site is just over a block away at a earthquake unsafe parking lot. They could build there or at any of the other alternative sites that they have actually indicated. So we asked the question, why keep a parking lot, an earthquake unsafe parking lot, and destroy a park?
If the appeal prevails in litigation, the court's decision means that the university will be unlikely to resume work on the site until at least October. UC Berkeley responded to the appeal in a statement that reads in part, quote, "We have confidence in the strength of our legal position and will be exploring all feasible options to make up for lost time and open the student housing as scheduled in the fall of 2024. Until then, for Smith and supporters of People's Park, it is a wait-and-see situation.
Our lawyers prepared a strong case, and I think there are many reasons that People's Park should be preserved, and the university should really look at the alternatives that are possible.
Gayle, KRON 4 News.